like always, under the jack goes. Let's crack this case open. There she goes. Oh yeah. There it is. 456 gear in all its glory. Here's a comparison of my old gear to my new gear. Twice the size. I wonder how this is going to act. You see everybody on YouTube, I don't know, what do they use, like 355 gears or something? And this is a 456. I don't know what I can do. Ka-ching! The reason I'm doing this, I had to do that to get my cross pin out. Unfortunately, I had to go through all that trouble. But it should be worth it. It should be very well worth it. Just like this piece was. Yeah, buddy. Alright, here comes the fun part. How do I take these out? It's been so long. I'll wiggle them out or something. I'll figure it out in a second. There we go. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Alright. Now to clean it up and then start the main process. Quick example. Just like that. That's on 100 amps and it works really well. 100 amps, 220 volts. I was wondering where all that smoke was coming from. Oops. This is a long process. Okay, this project right here will really test your patience. All the bubbles, you gotta grind them off, fill them back in. But basically what this thing does, slide on each side once you get it welded right. Oh my god. And as you can see, once it's all welded and it starts to turn, posi track. Then your diff explodes and all over the road, and you're screwed. And I hope you had fun. Like I said, I'm very serious. This will test your patience. This thing is so heavy now. It went weighing from like half a pound to like 3. This could definitely be used as a weapon. Oh well. You guys want weight reduction? I need more weight. More traction, the better. Okay, in all seriousness, this is how it works. It does have some slack, but it does lock up. So it's got a little slack and it locks up. Cool thing is, completely removable. Brake and axle, completely removable. That's what's great about this. One more notch to do and I'll be ready. Well, time for the install. Next time you see it, it's going to be ready. As a matter of fact, I think it looks ready now. Stocked, lock, and ready to rock. Well, see you next video. Until then, peace.